Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode love, heartbreak, and everything in between. If you're watching this, chances are you've been through a breakup or you're fighting to keep your relationship alive. Today, we're ripping the Band-Aid off. Why most relationships end in tears. Buckle up, I'm about to drop truth that'll save your love life or confirm why it's time to walk away. The clear problem. Modern love's silent killers. Let's face it, relationships aren't failing because of big Hollywood drama like cheating or explosive fights. Those are the symptoms. The real problem? A toxic cocktail of unrealistic expectations, poor communication, and zero personal growth. Stats don't lie. Divorce rates hover around 40 to 50% in most Western countries, and for millennials and Gen Z, long-term relationships barely crack 20% success. Why? First, social media sells us fairy tale lies. You scroll Instagram, see couples jetting to Bali with perfect abs and zero arguments, and think that's what love looks like. Reality check, those posts are curated highlights. Your relationship gets messy laundry, bad breath mornings, and days where you just want to be alone. When expectations crash into reality, resentment builds like a slow poison. Second, communication collapses under assumptions. Couples stop talking, they mind read. He didn't text back, so he doesn't care. She likes her space, must mean she's losing interest. Studies from the Gottman Institute show 69% of relationship problems are perpetual, insoluble fights over core differences like money, sex, or family. Without tools to navigate them, silence turns toxic. Third, no one grows together. People change every 7 years psychologically, yet most couples stagnate. One partner levels up, a promotion, new hobbies, while the other coasts. Suddenly, you're roommates, not lovers. Add external pressures like financial stress, work burnout, and endless distractions from apps like Tinder, and boom, your bond erodes. The problem boils down to this. Relationships demand intentional work. Ignore it, and you're statistically doomed. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. Step-by-step solution. Build a relationship that lasts. All right, no fluff, here's your battle-tested 5-step blueprint to make your relationship bulletproof. I've pulled this from psychology research, real couple turnarounds, and my own scripting wisdom on human dynamics. Implement these and you'll join the elite 5% that thrive. Step 1, reset expectations. Week 1 challenge. Ditch the Disney delusion. Sit down with your partner for a reality check date. List 5 non-negotiables, example, loyalty, and 5 deal breakers, example, constant criticism. Then share your highlight reel versus real life visions. This kills fantasy and builds a shared foundation. Couples who do this report 30% higher satisfaction. Step 2. Master communication with the 3-question ritual daily habit. Every evening, ask these 3 questions. What was the best part of your day? What stressed you out? And how can I support you tomorrow? No phones, eye contact only. This isn't chit-chat, it's emotional deposit building. Research from UCLA shows couples who ritualize positive talks reduce conflict by 50%. Stuck arguing? Use the Dear Man script from DBT therapy. Describe facts, express feelings, assert needs, reinforce positives, stay mindful, appear confident, negotiate. Step 3. Schedule conflict autopsies. Weekly reset. Fights happen, don't sweep them under the rug. Pick one night a week for a 20-minute autopsy. What triggered it, what assumptions were wrong, and what can we do differently? Frame it as teamwork, not blame. Data proves couples who analyze fights neutrally have 5x lower divorce risk. Bonus, turn it fun with a timer and rewards like ice cream after. Step 4. Commit to parallel growth. Monthly check-ins. Growth isn't optional, it's glue. Each month, share one personal goal, gym, therapy, skill, and one couple goal, date night adventure. Support each other without smothering. Track progress in a shared app like Notion. Why it works? A 2023 study in the Journal of Personality found partners who pursue independent growth feel 40% more attracted long-term. You're not cloning each other, you're evolving side by side. Step 5. Reignite intimacy with the 7-Day Spark Challenge. Repeat quarterly. Sex and touch fade? Fix it fast. Day 1, non-sexual massage. Day 2, flirty texts all day. Day 3, role-play fantasies. Build to Day 7, all-in night. Science backs it. Oxytocin from touch bonds you chemically. Brain scans show novelty keeps love alive. If single, use this to vet dates early. Implement these steps consistently and watch your relationship transform. It's not magic, it's method. Most fail because they wait for problems to fix themselves. You're proactive now. Relationships don't last because we treat them like autopilot cruises, but with realistic expectations, killer communication, and relentless growth, you build an unbreakable bond. The 95% fail, you decide if you're in the 5%. If this hit home, smash that like button right now. It fuels more life-changing content. Drop a comment. Which step are you starting first, or what's killing your relationship? Share below. I read everyone. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly drops on love, mindset, and success. Turn notifications on. You won't regret it. Let's make your love story legendary. See you in the next one.